everybody, it's Chris from Cali Raised LED, and today we're installing the 5th Gen 4Runner top Molle tray. Included in your system is going to be a passenger and driver main tray, a passenger and driver back panel, a mid mount for your back panel, a mid mount for your trays, and a passenger and driver top mount. The only tool you're going to need for your installation today is a 5/32 Allen wrench, which can be substituted for a socket if you desire. So the first step of the installation is to pre-assemble our Molle panels. I'm going to start with the passenger side today. You can start with the driver, it doesn't matter. The first thing we need to do is put our rear backer onto the main panel. What we need to make sure we're doing is this installs onto the back side where our threaded inserts are, and that the threaded inserts in this backing panel are on the same side as the main panel. With it in place, we're gonna take one of our 1/2 inch long 1/4 inch bolts. We're gonna install a washer, and we're gonna put bolts in the 3 different spots. So I'm gonna start here. These 3 bolts on the back, we can go ahead and tighten these in place. Next, we're going to install our mid mount. This is what connects our 2 main panels together. We're going to pre-install it on this side. That way, when we go to install them on the car, they're already there for you. You simply lift up your main panel, slide this one underneath, push it down, and we're going to install our hardware on both ends. We're going to leave these hand tight so that we can adjust on the vehicle. Using the same 1/4 inch bolt that's a 1/2 inch long, we're going to put our washer on, and we're going to install in the 4 positions. These are a little tight. Sometimes you have to give them a little push, but everything should line up just fine for you. Again, I'm just getting these a little bit tighter. I am not cinching them down. That way we can make our adjustments in the car. Our final pre-assembly piece is the mid mount for the backing plate. We're going to go ahead and put this in place and put our same bolt and washer combination, also leaving this one loose for adjustment. That completes the prep of the passenger side for us. We're going to do the same thing for the driver's side, but it's just going to be the main panel and the backing plate. Now that our trays are prepped, we're going to prep our vehicle. The first thing we need to do is remove these top 2 bolts from your existing Molle system. With these bolts out, we can now put our side mounts in. To orient your mount, you'll notice the holes are off center. The longer side needs to point towards the front of your vehicle. You're then going to take these 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch long bolts, and you're going to put them in place of the ones that were there previously. Put the bolt through and back into the mount. This mount's going to sit on top of all your existing Molle panel hardware. Go ahead and tighten these all the way down. We're now going to repeat the process on the other side. Now that our vehicle's prepped, we're going to start putting our trays in. I'm going to start on the driver's side today. We're putting up the panel that's missing the middle mount. So what we're going to do is, you see these hooks? These are going to hook into your Molle squares right here. They help share the load off of this hardware, but it also makes for an easy installation. You simply put your hooks in and lift your panel up. Then we're going to grab a bolt with a washer, and we're going to go through our hole and into the threaded insert. With our center bolt in, we're now going to put our other 2 in. We're going to get them hand tight. Now we're going to put our passenger side panel up. This is the one with the extra middle mounts. We're going to go ahead and we're going to hook it. We're going to lift, and then we're going to insert our hardware into this middle mount. I'm going to do it on my side, but we eventually do it in all 4 positions. We're going to reach in here, hook into our molle. We're going to lift up and slide our panel into position. With it up in position, I'm going to take my bolt, put it in the middle mount. I'm going to do the same thing for the other fastener on this side. Moving to the back side, we're again going to line up our panels and install our hardware. With our bottom 2 installed, we're now going to put our bolts in our top one. With all of our hardware in, we can now center our mounts and tighten everything down as required. Our final step is to put our last 3 pieces of hardware in here. We will tighten these 3, and then we'll go to the driver's side and tighten them on that side. This completes our installation today. Thank you for joining us. I hope this was helpful. Please check out CaliRaisedLED.com to get yours today. Let's load this thing up.